Creating a simple and effective garden can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience. Here are several straightforward ideas to help you establish a garden that is both beautiful and easy to maintain. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Container garden is perfect for those with limited space or those who want to add greenery to patios, balconies or indoor spaces. You can use variety of containers such as pots, hanging baskets and even repurposed items like old baskets or crates. Select plants that are well suited to container life such as herbs, succulents, or small vegetables like cherry, tomatoes, and peas. Herb gardens are fantastic choice for beginners. They require minimal space of maintenance while providing fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Common herbs to plant include basil, rosemary, thyme, mint, and parsley. Plant them in a sunny spot, either in the ground or in a containers, and enjoy the convenience of having fresh herbs at your fingertips. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Creating a simple garden does not have to be complicated or time consuming. By now crafting these easy ideas, you can enjoy the benefits of gardening with minimal effort. Whether you choose container gardening, herb garden or rice beds, they can be small. Choose plants that are easy to care for and enjoy the process of nurturing your garden. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us.